हाय गाइस। आज मैं आपको लेके जा रही हूँ अपने ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशन ब्राइड के पूरे एक्सपीरियंस के लिए। वी हैड टू रीच आवर डेस्टिनेशन ब्राइड which is in Jim Corbett. We started at 4:30 a.m. So obviously we got up at 3 o'clock and the day started very very early, rather in the middle of the night. We got up, we got ready, which is not easy. So now after 2 hours we thought we need a tea break, which was much needed. You can see the daylight has come. We halted at this very very amazing dhaba which we always halt when we travel, Monga. We had breakfast. It was omelette, coffee, sandwiches, and of course tea, which was given in cooler. And we really really had lovely tea which really was refreshing. एंड जब आप ट्रैवल करते हो सुबह सुबह घर से, आप कुछ खा के भी नहीं निकलते हो, तो सच ब्रेक्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. And now we started again. So this was showing the route. Google Map was showing through some village, and it was a very very bumpy road, but the air was very clean, and we could see the fog also. So our journey went ahead, and we really had a great time moving and seeing all the greenery around. And definitely greenery is feast for eyes, and fresh air is something which you really really enjoy once you step out of Delhi. And now slowly moving towards our bride's destination. You can see the fog. It is so dense, and like we're literally on time. Everything is going smooth. Google Map is showing 2 hours ahead. So yes, we are catching up with the pace, enjoying the ride. And we're going to be reaching by 9:30. Our reach time was also 9:30. And now we have really kind of reached Bijnor. And after that 2 hours drive, we finally reached our place. We halted because bride was not ready. She was little late. As usual, the customs and rituals, they take time. So we parked ourselves at a hotel, enjoyment center, and then we had a great time clicking photographs. We started with our bride, and it was our first event, which was Mehendi. And you can see how beautiful the hair looks. And it's a daytime event. You can see the groom and the bride looking so beautiful together, and I got a chance to capture them in the sunlight. So, yes, now the next event was the engagement, which was in the evening. So, we started doing that also the same day. And you can see how beautiful she's looking. The look is absolutely glamorous, and we are giving her a very open hair, glamorous kind of a look. So, ये हमने तैयार किया इनको, एंड इसमें हमें लगे काफ़ी टाइम. तो ऑलमोस्ट रात के 9 बज गए थे. वी वर वेरी वेरी टायर्ड, but it was worth our effort because you can see how the bride is looking so beautiful. Her smile and her thank you was all we wanted after a very very hectic day which started for us at 3 o'clock in the morning. And after giving her beautiful engagement look, we were all geared up for her next day bridal look, and it was a day wedding. So we started around 2 o'clock, and you can see we've already started doing all the makeup. Our hair team is in place. Hair is also happening alongside, so a lot of effort going along. Teamwork hota hai. You can see without teamwork it's not possible. And we made sure to give a very very subtle look because ये बहुत ज़्यादा इनको soft look चाहिए थी, and she wanted to capture the golden glow hour. So sundowner इनको capture करना था, and I also wanted to make sure that I get my pictures in that golden hour. So we quickly got her ready. It took us 2.5 hours to make her ready, and I'm giving her a smoky smudged look liner. You can see how beautiful it is, and we have dolled her up. She's looking absolutely stunning. You can see we've captured her in the light. So it was a hectic day, but it was worth. You can see she's looking so beautiful, and yes, very very happy. And we also packed up for the day. It was a 3 event in 2 days, and we actually went to the room. We had our dinner, and we started because next day morning it was our morning bride. So we had to leave for Delhi in the night itself. You can see it's pitch dark. We sat in the car and we started moving. The road was very very you can see how the night journey is. It's not very safe, but we had no choice. We had to travel the same night. and luckily everything went well. We reached home safely. So this was all about our destination bride. It was worth the every effort which me and my team took. It was fun. It was very, very nice, very satisfying when your client is happy. You can see how the road is. It's so, so dark.